tuning in to Cymarc Bike Parts. If, like me, you've purchased one of the BMW S1000XRs, and if, like me, you're around about 5'9", you'll find that the seat height at 830mm is a tad too high, especially when you're paddling around in a car park, even worse on gravel, or even worse on a severely cambered road. Now, what we've done at Cymarc Bike Parts is to find a solution for this. One of the things which governs the seat height on the bike as standard is this item here. It's called a link strut, and it's the standard item which you will find on the bike. What we've decided to do is to replace this item with a fully adjustable item, with all the components being bespoke machined in Great Britain, to allow us some flexibility to raise or indeed lower the seat height. And by careful adjustment, we can lower the bike by up to 20mm. We also lower the front of the bike, of course, to maintain attitude, and what it gives you is a solution to the bike which is really far too high for people around about 5'9". The process only takes 1.5 to 2 hours. We can do it from start to finish here at Cymarc Bike Parts. So if you've got an XR, and if you're a little bit on the short side, then call us now and get booked in. Thanks for watching, bye for now.